So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Can you see where I'm at? Yo, it's been a whole minute, y'all, since I've been in this park. I might have came in the park, but not as much, you know, because wintertime is cold. But if y'all see my channel, most of my videos are filmed outside in this park. It is a beautiful day today, y'all. As you can see, me and little girl walking, taking a walk and enjoying it. Come on, girl. So what's up, y'all? If you're new, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any videos of mine, y'all. Look at this. Got the little water. I should have cleaned my screen. She's enjoying it. Hi. And we just out here, y'all.
Hey, water.
Yeah, you see the water? So happy Tuesday, y'all. Hope you guys are having an awesome, amazing day. Mama. I just wanted to, I just wanted to get on here really quickly and just let you guys know that what's today? The 10th. Today's the 9th. So tomorrow I'm going to have a private Zoom meeting, and I just want to connect. I made a post on my Instagram. I just want to connect with like-minded individuals, women, men, and you know, just people who have an open mind, just to come in and chat and listen in to what me and my business partner has to say. I think it'll be good. It'll be great for us to connect and talk. So if you watch my channel and you support me, you support my channel, and you know what I do, and you just want to have like a one-on-one with me, that will be the time to come to that Zoom and let's just chat, let's just talk, and maybe it could help you guys, you know what I mean? Just have an open mind and just think about trying something new. You know what I mean? So if you're interested, comment down below and say, hey Tay, me, you know, I'm free tomorrow at 7 to hop on your Zoom and just connect and listen in and just have an open mind, you know what I mean? Just to hear what, you know, we have to say. You know what I mean? I know a lot of you guys ask a lot of questions as far as TLC and starting a business and things like that. So if you have those questions, tomorrow will be the time to come and join in and ask those questions. So don't be shy, don't be afraid. If you want to join, send me a DM or comment down below and I will send you the link to the Zoom. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my time, New York time. And let's just chat, let's just talk, and let's just, you know, see, you know, where, you know, the information you find could take you, you know what I mean? So there's nothing wrong with just listening in and learning something new, just to have an open mind, because you never know, you know, what the future brings. So, and believe it or not, around this time last year, which is still crazy, this is when the pandemic started. I remember I was going to the gym with my girl. The last day we went to the gym was the 13th of March, and after that, everything just went dead. You know what I mean? So, I hope you guys have an open mind, because as you can see, things are not promised, things are not guaranteed. We had no idea this time last year the whole world would be shut down, and a lot of people got affected by it. Believe it or not, affected as far as in their homes, their jobs, their financial situation, their mental, physical, spiritual. A lot of people got affected. So now we're here a year later. And you know what I mean? So it's just time to get things rocking and get things rolling. And don't wait. Don't hesitate, because as you can see, time and life waits for no one. So send me a message if you want to hop on. Let me know today. I'm about to drop this video right now. And let's get it, y'all. And if you do miss this this Zoom, definitely still send me a message. We could definitely still do a video chat, FaceTime, one-on-one, so we can talk and link, and I can figure out how can I help you better your life. You know what I mean? Your situation. Just get around new people, new energy, new vibes, new friends. You know what I mean? So see you guys later. Oh, my arm hurt, y'all. I am so sore. Sunday I went to go work out with my girl, and I haven't did a full body extensive workout like that in a long time, and my whole body is like, right now holding this phone is really hurting my arm because my arms are sore. So I like it, it's good, because I haven't did it in a while. But listen, homeboy got a girl jacked up. But it's a good jacked up, you know what I mean? Ooh, excuse me. So anywho, I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye, Kalia.